Well, what's in the box? Let's find out. Well, actually, I had this box quite a while ago, about almost 2 months. Anyway, here it is. And looky. What a surprise. They reached out to me about a month or so ago and to try this radio. Of course, I couldn't make any videos on it until now, so I will do an unboxing. And this is it right here, the XHDATA E-100 portable two-way radio. It is a transceiver, FM, airband, of course, AM aviation, VHF, UHF, of course. Okay, it does have NOAA band. It is a HT, handheld transceiver. Okay, and just let me pause it right there. Look at the features it has here. And let's take it out the box. So let's open it up. And of course, we have our manual. Okay, that's upside. Okay, I think one side is oh, it's upside down. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's upside down. I thought it was one language on one side, and oh, it's upside down. Oh my God. Anyway, so there you go. There you go, the actual radio itself. This is the radio right here, of course. Looks very cool. And you can see the frequency range is there. So it does have the 200 to 260 also, which is pretty interesting. Okay. And of course, you got your battery. And you got your battery. It is a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. Lithium ion battery. You have your antenna. Let's see what else is in here. A minute, trying to put that. You have your charger and lanyard and your belt clip right here. Okay, so let's put that aside over here for a minute. I'm not going to be pausing this so much. The first thing is first. Let's put the antenna. So, of course, this is the first ever transceiver from XHDATA. There is no price on this yet. I do not know the price of it yet. It will be available. They emailed me a few days back. It will be available on October 25th, I believe.
Channel mode.
So there you go. Okay. So you got your handheld transceiver from XHDATA. And of course, okay. I just want to see what the what is the interesting. I'm trying to find where do you charge the battery. And of course, I need to figure out how to use the radio. There's going to be a small learning curve to this. Once you're familiar, oh, it's right there. So the battery, so there is no cradle. It goes right in there, which is a good, pleasant surprise. A lot of radios now are not, it looks like you can't put a cradle in there. Okay, but the battery itself has a USB port. And I guess it's a little indicator light right there for when you charge it. And then the belt clip. I don't know if you just slide that in there or not. Oh, yeah, there you go. So no screws to fumble around with. It just snaps in there. Okay. And, of course, you got your lanyard, which goes here. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera on that. Of course, you got your lanyard that goes in here. Sorry for the camera shaking there. There's go. And again, the price is yet to be determined on this. I know they are going to debut this on Amazon on around August 20. I'm trying to remember the date they put on the email. I think it's August 25th or the 23rd. Right around there. Anyway, I'm going to make a follow-up video on receptions on this. And then I will talk about the launch date itself. And of course, hopefully there'll be some kind of promotional code and so on. I don't know that. I don't know anything else about that. But here it is. This is the XHDATA
channel mode
transceiver. Okay. And I'll be playing around with it. I'll do some receptions on it. I'm going to set it up. Interesting to know what kind of software can I use with this. It did not come with any CPS software. Okay. Let's lower that down. I'm hoping I can use chirp with this. I see it as trying to receive. But of course, this frequency, I don't know what it is already. It was already pre set up already, I guess. I will be wiping this out. If when I can find out what kind of CPS software is in here, I have to go through the instructions. Hopefully this will be compatible with Chirp. Chirp is a software that many handhelds are compatible with. I'm hoping that this one will be compatible with it, and therefore I could easily program all my repeaters on there, because I do have a list of repeaters already set up. Otherwise, I have to manually put this in there, and that's going to be... I do not prefer that. I prefer you connect this to Chirp. I'm sure it's compatible with the Baofeng, the several Baofeng, type cables. And then I could use Chirp. Okay? So there you go. So this is the new XHDATA E-100. Okay? Okay, and there you go. And many more videos to follow. And here it is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.